To Ghanem Marketing. In this tutorial video, you're gonna learn how you can launch an Instagram campaign here at Ad Manager in a Facebook. So the first thing you have to do here, you'll go to Create Campaign. Make sure you're connecting your business manager in a Facebook with your Instagram business page. So my objective marketing is gonna be engagement. Scroll down a little bit. I'll write down here Instagram. Right, scroll down, continue. Add set name. Let's say I'm targeting age between 25 to 44. Right, everyone in this location. To 44. Detailed targeting, for example, let's say digital marketing. And the people, they are really interesting about the social media. It's gonna be random. It's just for example, placements. Here, if you want to launch a campaign on an Instagram, you should do edit placement. So I'll remove all of these things. I'll keep Instagram, check in, audiences network, native industry, remove it, scroll down, all mobile devices, voice engagement. The cost is gonna be 5 cents. Daily budget, I keep it here, let's say $5. Continue. Make sure you select your page on Instagram. Scroll down. Sorry. Then you're gonna upload your image. Let's say I'll choose this one. Scroll down. Now we're gonna write a text of our ads. Let's say free ebook on page SEO with Ghanem Marketing. call to action, learn more. Also, you can check it here on Instagram feed. This is your ad. And after that, press confirm, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.